warm welcome. I'm Drea Michelle, and I make videos on lifestyle, personal fitness, as well as health and beauty. To all of my loyal subscribers, I'm so sorry. I know that I've been gone for such a very, very long time, but life has like really just been all over the place for me, like very, very hectic, very crazy. I had some serious situations go on, and I've just really been trying to focus on that and getting everything in order. That way I can focus on like my priorities, like YouTube, and I got a good surprise, guys. So I started cosmetology school. Finally started cosmetology school, guys. I've been wanting to start cosmetology school for the longest, girl. I'm telling you, like years and years, like since I was young. Like I was like, I'm gonna be a cosmetologist. I'm gonna go to school for cosmetology. I used to tell myself this, and finally at 21 years old, I finally get to do it, and I'm elated. Like I feel like this was the best decision I could have made for myself, like ever. Like going to school literally made me so happy. I love school. I enjoy it so much. I enjoy getting up in the morning and going to school, which was never a thing for me, girl. Let me tell you, never a thing. Like I did not go to school in high school. Like I did not like to wake up and go to school. I did not like to go to my classes. I did not like anything about high school. But cosmetology school, I'm in there like swimwear, girl. I get up every morning faithfully and go to school because like it's so different when you're actually doing something that you really, really like love and enjoy. It's such a different feeling. And like if you have dreams and aspirations to be a cosmetologist or to do makeup or to do hair or go for your dreams. Go for your dreams, and I'm telling you, you will be so happy with that decision. So on that note, I figured since I did start school, I figured I would come on here and share with you guys what I got in my kit. So starting off with the combs, you get this very, very convenient carrier. You can carry up to 8 combs, and you get 4 sets of white combs and 4 sets of black combs. Next we have our brushes. You get 3 sets of brushes. You get 1 denim brush, which looks exactly like this, and it has 9 rows. Then you also get a paddle brush, and basically it's just for detangling hair. And you also get a boar bristle brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. It's like for smoothing, making everything look sleek. Now we also have our round brushes. They come in 3 different sizes, as well as the cleaning comb. The cleaning comb is super easy to use. It goes through every bristle of the brush and gets all that hair out. Here we have the curling iron. This curling iron in specific is made by Pivot Point. It has an on and off switch, so you could just go ahead and switch it on and off, as well as a locking mechanism, so the bar in your hand locks. You just line the arrow up and just lock it, and that way it stays in place in your hand. It also has a level system for heat, minimum to maximum. No one needs maximum heat on their hair. Just keep it to a minimum or a medium heat. That'll work fine. This is the 1/2 inch curling iron by Baby Bliss Pro. This also has a clamp, which I will not be using. I cannot do a clamp or whatever. I just don't. I can't do it. It also has the heating system and the on and off switch, as well as the rotating bar, which you can go ahead and lock. Same thing, you just match the arrows up and lock it up. This is the Samvia straightener. This straightener is amazing. I will die for this straightener. It has different heating settings, so you can either do high, color treated, or low. And I really, really appreciate the fact that Samvia actually put color treated, because a lot of people damage their hair just from high heat, and you really don't need that much heat on your hair for most things. It's so ideal, fits perfectly in your hand. It's an amazing straightener. Sam, you did a great job with the straightener. This is the Samvia hair dryer. You have a couple of different options on it. You have 3 settings for heat and 2 settings for power, as well as a cooling button. The blow dryer also comes with 3 different diffusers.
Each diffuser is different. This one's just a little bit more narrow and wider, and this one is the smaller version, just a little bit more narrow and smaller. Here we have our pick diffuser. Same thing, this is a pick diffuser for curly hair, so if you're trying to increase the volume or increase the curl, that's what you would use. So this cute little guy is the wall peanut. This is used in most men's haircuts just for doing their hairline or their edge. Here we have the wall clippers. These clippers are used in most men's haircuts. It also comes with a couple of options for guards. Some are shorter and some are longer. It just kind of depends. This was one of the things I was most excited about. My shears, oh my gosh, I was so happy when we got them. We got 2 sets of shears and 1 set of razor shears. Like razor shears are usually used for like wig cutting or extension cutting, but I'll be making good use of those. It also came with the shear cleaning kit as well as extra razors for the razor shears. Moving on to the manicure kit. So the manicure kit comes with all the tools you need for any mani or pedi, as well as some acetone strips for any gel polishes and 2 types of gel colors. This is the base coat and this is the OPI top coat. Thanks so much for watching, Glow Babies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Baby.